This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending February 1st, 2025. The market finished mixed this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.75% on Friday, but was up 0.27% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.5% on Friday and was down minus 1% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.28% on Friday and was down minus 1.64% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I generate cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was down minus 1.78% this week, but that doesn't really matter either because I can generate cash flow from Bitcoin as long as it is volatile. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is about $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Cipher Mining Incorporated, ticker symbol CIFR. In the first column, it was up 21.91% on Friday, but decreased minus 2.88% for the week. Cipher Mining Incorporated develops and operates industrial-scale Bitcoin mining data centers in the United States. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 7 different option contracts that range from $50.34 to $555.32. I received a total of $1,142.35 for the 7 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you're not going to be able to see exactly what I sold. But with this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and invest it. My goal is to generate at least $30,000 this year. That is more than $2,000 per month, but I am sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. What do you think I should do with my $1,142.35 this week? I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately in every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. You can see last week and versus this week. And my total account value decreased by minus 2.69%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow or income. What do you use? Work? I hope you like your job. Keep doing it. YouTube? How many views do you need? Stock dividends? How many stocks do you need to generate over $1,000 in dividends in a week? Bonds? Yeah, okay. Real estate? What are your related expenses? And how much time did it take to make your money? My related expenses were 0, and I spent almost no time. I spent my time doing things like this. Check back every week to see how much cash flow or income I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.